Hey, 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 guess who's back? It's your boy, Excellent Dreams. And this morning, I want to talk to y'all about about studding jeans. I know most of my subscribers subscribe simply because they wanted more knowledge on how to stud the jeans, what tools were best, where would someone even find the stones at, the rim sets, all of that. So in most of my videos, I've already shown people how to hand set the studs. I've showed people how to place them in, how to flip them over, how to lock them in using. This was one of my main tools right here, a toenail clipper. Here go another one. Cause this side right here, this little curvy piece right here, it's got the curved edges to it. It helped to actually lock the stones in, and bend them in a curvy way to where they lock backwards. You know what I'm saying? So this definitely works great. And this was all I used most of the time. But studding jeans can be very, very time consuming. Also, you can start getting cramps in your fingers. You know what I'm saying? So I started looking for alternative ways to do it faster, all of that. So if you can see my screen right here now, you can see that this machine right here is a grommet machine. It's a rivet press. It's a hand press. Well, it's not a hand press. It's something that you would actually attach to a desk and stud your jeans that way. So I mean, I have even bought the stud and rhinestone setter. Look at it right here. I bought that. I paid about $30 for it. You know what I'm saying? You think this helped me? Not at all, folks. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, because let's see here. Let me go back here. Okay. Because this is why it didn't work. You see that lip right there? That lip on there made it difficult to get the stones close. So sure enough, this definitely would work for a jacket or a shirt where you just want a stone here, stone there, stone here, stone there, and you didn't want them perfect. You didn't want them in a straight line. You didn't want them, symmetrical. You know what I'm saying? So it definitely works to put the stones in, but to actually get it straight and to flood a pocket like Robin jeans, no, this didn't work. Neither did the bigger one. Like, you know what I mean? I bought the bigger one first. This one right here, well, that's $20.44. I didn't pay that for mine. I bought mine 3, 4, 5 years ago, and I paid close to $300 for that machine. It's at my mama's house right now because I never used it. It didn't work for me. So then I bought this one. This one didn't work. So then I bought this one. This one is actually advertised as the Crystal Hand Applicator Tool, or the Crystal Applicator Hand Tool. So one of my subscribers actually hit me up just last night and was like, "Hey, bro, is there a tool that I can buy that would help me put the stones in the jeans a lot faster?" And I told him about this tool, but then I also told him the pros and cons of this tool. This tool is similar to this tool, to where they both have the lips on them right here that doesn't allow you. And let me take this out real quick so y'all can see. It has that lip on there, so the stud pretty much basically fits inside of there, the stone, stud, rim set, or whatever. But you see that lip around there? That lip does not allow you to get the stones close, very close, symmetrically close, like this. Let me go to Robin jeans. just want the pictures. Hold on, images. And go to images. Let's see here. Let me pull up a pair. All right. Look at that, folks. You see how close those are? This machine right here, this hand tool does not allow you to get them that close. So that's why majority of Robin jeans cost as much as they do, because they are hand studded. Like, you know what I mean? They're not using a machine or a tool or whatnot. They actually have someone sitting there and, oh, these are fake. These are Fugazi. As you can see, they on AliExpress.com. But look, still, they still in there symmetrically. Well, that one might be off just a little bit. But this, once again, this machine right here will not let you do that. It'll let you do the this little piece right here, the little belt loop. Now, you can definitely do that with one of these tools. I used to do that. You know, finish off the pants. That's what I used to use this for. The little belt loops on the back, or down here on the flaps where it gets real thick. This comes in handy because you don't want to try to break your damn fingers trying to get that damn stone in there. Like, you know what I'm saying? So this definitely helps, especially when you get down to the last couple and they don't have to be quite as perfect, and you can just pop that in through the seam, you know, through 3-4 levels of denim. So that's what that was for, and it definitely came in handy for those moments. But other than that, not only is this tool a waste of time, but let me show you something else, folks. Watch this, watch this, watch this. You can't even buy this tool anymore. If this tool was such a holy grail to the studding industry, then it would be readily available. Crystal Applicator hand tool. Watch this. Oh, there it is right there. It's right there, bro. You know what I mean? Let me open that in a new link. Click on that. There it is right there. The Crystal Applicator tool. Got the same thing that mine got on it. It's a patent pending right there. You know what I'm saying? Oh, so this is it. Click on it. There. Oh, discontinue item. Oh, they don't even sell this bitch no more. Like, you know what I mean? Let me show you another example. Crystal Applicator hand tool. Now, that was at jewelrysupply.com. Let's go to firemountaingems.com. Like, you know what I'm saying? Let's click on that. Let's open it up. It gives you a video tutorial on how to use the Crystal Applicator tool. But let's search up here for Crystal Applicator tool. There it is right there. There it is right there, folks. Oh, shit, I'm about to get one. About to get one. They don't even sell this bad boy no more. They still sell the stuff that came out previously, the Hot Fix Applicator. You know what I mean? They still sell those. Matter of fact, I got one of those too, baby. Look over there in that bag and hand me that little purple hand setter, please. I should have grabbed it out when I grabbed these out, but it should be right there in that first bag. Yeah. The little purple little tool. If it ain't in that bag, it's in the second one. Oh, there it is. Yep. And now tell you, man, I was heavy into it. So I went and bought that as well. You know, went and bought. Now this, I still use this from time to time. But why would I use this when I have a whole heat press and I can press 1,000 stones on at one time? You know what I'm saying? So this definitely comes in handy, you know, when you want to do a little spot treatment work. You only got a stone here or a stone there, and you want to be real meticulous with your setting. All right, moving right along. So I bought this. I bought this. I even bought the big the big setter that you would affix to a table or something. Let's move right along, folks. Like I say, I've done my research. You can't even buy this tool anymore. They don't even sell it. It went out of business. It's discontinued. So that was Fire Mountain Gems. Let's go to coastplaysupplies.com. You know what I mean? Chris Swarovski crystal applicator hand tool. There it is. But where can you buy one at? Where can you buy one at? I mean, if you really, really want one, you know, I'll sell you mine. Look, let me go back. I clicked on it right here. Swarovski crystal applicator tool. This product is not currently active, so let's close out of that. Moving right along to rainbowsofflight.com. Wait a minute, they might still got it on Amazon. Here we go. Swarovski crystal applicator hand tool. Click here to purchase this fabulous tool. I finally found it, y'all. Haha. 404 error, page not found. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, so I'm definitely, like I'm saying, I'm definitely here to help. But this tool, you can't even buy this tool no more. Look at this. I thought at least Amazon would have had it. Currently unavailable. Customer reviews. How did it get, you know, a 3.5 out of 5 stars? So, you know what I'm saying, let's see all 7 reviews. No instructions included. I don't hate this product. I just want the manufacturer to give the crafters a break, or should I say clue. Can someone draw something that would help? So this one said you got to be intuitive. No instructions included. You know what I mean? Oh, that was the same one from up there. So saw this applicator tool on a PBS show. Very handy tool for a wide variety of snaps. They talking about snaps. They're not talking about studs. Like, you know what I mean? I love working with this tool. It's pricey but easy to use. I hope to get the dies for the Swarovski snap soon. Whoa, 5 stars. You will want this tool. Like, you will want this tool. 5 stars. Nice tool, but works better with particular components. You know what I'm saying? I bought all the components. When they say particular components, they're talking about these little pieces right here, the attachments. The top and the bottom attachments. I got the whole set, folks. Like, you know what I mean? They got different attachments for different sizes, but those attachments still don't let you get it close. Robin Jean close, should I say. So, I mean, I definitely love studding jeans. I studied about 40 pair of jeans in 2 years, you know, to the point to where the last couple of pairs that I started studying, my fingers would cramp up, you know what I mean? And things of that nature. So, I tried the tools. Once the tools didn't work, I did continue studying, but I also looked for alternate methods of actually doing something with rhinestone. So that's where, you know, my idea came for my shirts, you know, because now my shirts are Excellent Dreams apparel, you know what I mean? So I definitely love it. I definitely love the adventure on where my studying has taken me from using E600 glue, you know, and just gluing the studs down, you know what I mean, to buying the hand press, you know, the table press, to buying the rhinestone setter, to buying this, to buying this. No, and now all I use now is Corel Draw, my vinyl cutter over here, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me switch back to my screen recorder. Yep, can't see it. There it is. My GCC vinyl cutter, you know. Definitely love this right here. And my heat press. You know, I have a 16 by 20 heat press, as you can see over there in the corner. So, I'd like to thank y'all for watching this video. If you like this video, please smash that like button. Also, please leave a comment down below if you've ever bought or purchased a tool to handset. Like, you know what I mean? If you've ever studied any jeans, period, hit me up. I would definitely love to see, you know, your artwork. I would definitely love to see what you came up with. But right now, like I say, I love doing the shirts. I can create hit me up. You know, if you have a design that you would like in rhinestones, I could definitely do that. Produce the shirt, ship it to you. You know, no problem at all. You know, but once again, I'm here to help. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so before. Also, remember to hit the notification bell to be notified when I do upload a new video, because I upload videos daily. And I'm out.